класс английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Страница 59, 60, 61. English. Starlight 4. Урок. Lesson number 27. Part number 1. Page number 59, 60, 61. Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat some exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 59, 59. Adverbs of manner. Наречие образа действия. Mike is a quick learner. He learns quickly. Майк способный ученик. Майк быстро учится. Наречие образа действия. Прилагательные уточняют существительные. Мы используем их, чтобы описать людей или какие-либо предметы. Mike is a quick learner. What kind of a learner is Mike? Quick. Наречие образа действия уточняют глаголы. Мы употребляем наречие, чтобы рассказать о том, как люди выполняют действия. Mike learns quickly. How does Mike learn? Quickly. Наречие образа действия образуется от прилагательных при помощи суффикса «ли». Quick, quickly. Быстрый, быстро. Slow, slowly. Медленный, медленно. Careful, carefully. Аккуратный, аккуратно. Если прилагательное оканчивается на y, y меняется на I и прибавляется окончание. Ли, happy, happily. Некоторые наречия образа действия совпадают по форме с прилагательными. Fast, fast. Быстрый, быстро. Hard, hard. Тяжелый, тяжело. Наречие образа действия для прилагательного good – хороший, well – хорошо. Quick, quickly, slow, slowly. Careful, carefully. Happy, happily. Good, well. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Make sentences as in the example. Составь предложение, как в примере. Maria is a bad football player. Maria plays football badly. Мария плохой игрок в футбол. Мария играет в футбол плохо. Number 2. Kirill is a fast runner. Number 2, the answer. Kirill runs fast. Number 3. Natalie is a beautiful dancer. The answer, number 3. Natalie dances beautifully. Sentence number 4. I am a slow learner. The answer, number 4. I learn slowly. Sentence number 5. Dmitry is a good piano player. The answer, number 5. Dmitry plays the piano well. Number 6. Oleg is a hard worker. The answer number 6. Oleg works hard. Number 7. Elena lives a happy life. Number 7. Elena lives happily. Sentence number 8. My dad is a careful driver. Number 8. My dad drives carefully. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 60. 60. Grammarland. Adverbs of frequency. Наречие частотности. I always sing in the bathroom. Я всегда пою в ванне. Наречие частотности или наречие неопределенного времени. Наречия неопределенного времени, такие как always, всегда, usually, иногда, sometimes, иногда и never, никогда, показывают, насколько часто что-то происходит. Мы используем наречия частотности с present simple. Ставим их перед глаголом и после do, does, is. Предлоги времени. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. On Sunday, on Fridays. At 9 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. I have a shower in the morning. I visit my grandma on Fridays. I do to school at 9 o'clock. For example, I always get up at 8:30. I usually go to the gym in the afternoon. I sometimes go to the park. I never go to school on Sundays. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1, all about Emma. Look and complete the sentences. Emma always wears a skirt. Все про Эмму. Посмотри и закончи предложение. Эмма всегда носит юбки. Number 2. She usually studies after school. Она обычно занимается после школы. Number 3. She sometimes watches sport on TV. Она иногда смотрит телевизор. Number 4. She always has cereal for breakfast. Она всегда ест хлопья на завтрак. Number 5. She never eats chocolate. Она никогда не ест шоколад. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Make 3 sentences about you and your friend. Составь правдивые предложения про себя и своего друга. How often do you eat fruit? How often do you get up late? How often do you meet your friends after school? How often do you help with chores? How often do you play football? I eat fruit every day. My friend never eats fruit. The answer: I sometimes eat fruit. My friend always eats fruit. I sometimes get up late. My friend never gets up late. I sometimes meet my friends after school. My friend usually meets his friend after school. I usually help with the chores. My friend also usually helps with the chores. I never play football. My friend sometimes plays football. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61. 61. Exercise number 3. Put the words in order. Поставь слова в правильный порядок. Ты обычно ходишь в кино по воскресеньям. Do you usually go to the cinema on Saturdays? I never watch TV in the afternoon. Я никогда не смотрю телевизор днем. She always cleans her room on Sundays. Она всегда убирает свою комнату по воскресеньям. They sometimes visit their friend at the weekend. Они иногда навещают своих друзей на выходных. How often do you go shopping? Как часто ты ходишь по магазинам? They don't usually eat chicken. Они обычно не едят курицу. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.